God help us, please, because I'm really fucking scared. There's a lot of tension in this place. But I don't know what the fuck's going on anymore. I'm scared. My nerves are shot. Got my head bent anymore. So the cigarettes are crazy. Is there anything crazy happening on this floor? No. This is like the peaceful floor. Oh my god. So my floor is fucking chaos. This floor sounds like there's chaos. I haven't been to the fourth floor. This sounds pretty peaceful. This is a lot of fucking things that are happening here. I don't know how much I can really take. It's supposed to have open circulation, and these fucking idiots keep shutting the fucking windows. With this fucking thing in here, it's confined space. Like, this is fucking gross, like, that is all bug crawling up there. Don't know what kind of bug, but it's gross. Again, got like this thing going on, and I don't know what that means. Pretty sure that this fucking thing's supposed to be hanging out the window, but I don't know, like, this just doesn't look fucking safe. I beat the shit out of that one today. How are you? Oh, I'm just checking out the bathrooms. Can I just, like, take a peek at it, because, like, I want to show people, like, what the fuck we're living in.
I really need to use the washroom.
I'm sorry, but, like, you know, there should be a shower curtain here, right?
Yeah, there should be, definitely.
And, like,
yeah, that's okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. People have thanked me for, like, doing what I do. Because, you know, this is fucking bullshit, man. Hallway area, City of Vancouver, by the serve reminder, strictly prohibited to store any items outside your unit door or any common space. Such action constitutes a violation of Vancouver Fire Code, which can result in potential fine of $750 and may lead even to prosecution of repeated significant violations of the Fire Code by law. It is essential to comply with these regulations to ensure safety and enhancement of the law. In order to maintain compliance with the Vancouver Code bylaws, we have directed our staff to promote or remove, dispose all items from the hallways, common areas, leaving items in the hallways and common areas. Potential threat to safety and well-being of individuals during emergency situations. It is crucial to keep these areas clean at all times to ensure safety of obstructed escape for everyone. Tenants who are persistently violating the Vancouver Fire Code bylaw, exhibit aggression towards staff during the removal of items will be subject to breach notice. If violation persists, eviction will be pursued. We have sought the assistance of Vancouver Police Department to ensure the safety of our staff and the junk removal vendors in case where tenants display excessive aggression to pose a potential risk of violence. If cleaning your unit to prevent your belongings from being mistakenly disposed of. Please keep all items within your unit. If you require space to store items while cleaning your unit, we kindly ask you cooperate with the program manager and the tenant support worker to develop a plan that complies with the Vancouver Fire Code bylaw, and we are here to support you while ensuring adherence to the regulations. Let's prioritize safety, following the guidelines, and work together to maintain a secure living environment for all residents, guests, and staff. If you have further questions, please speak to your program manager. Grant Barron, Management Director of SRO's Portfolio, Atira Property Management Incorporation. Atlas Pet Wildlife and Control will be inspecting your unit for pest activity. Date December 26, 1 to 4. Please prepare your unit by removing large items of bed, couches, chairs so we can inspect these areas. Do not remove the bedding at this time and disperse whatever bugs are present. We will be removing your bedding and some furniture and politely removing the gauze backing of underside of your unupholstered furniture. Please advise your safety worker if you have any live activities. Thank you. Atlas Pets Wildlife Control Emergency Conduct Poison Control 604-682-5050. Our technicians are government certified, covered by WCP, insured and bonded. Head office. Email info@atlas.ca website. I guess I'm gonna be like emailing them some stuff. And oh wait, this guy. Well, we're gonna be talking to him for sure. Because what I fucking see here is a bunch of fucking cockroach spray treatment preparation. What the fuck are those things? And like, how dangerous is that? Like, I have birds and I have myself to think of, but like everybody from surviving. Like, I don't know about you, but like, I don't feel safe here. And if you wonder why I don't feel safe here, I made some videos and this is just one fucking night. And I haven't even been here most of the night. Because outside on the street, sometimes it's safer than what the fuck's going on in here. I'm scared. And I'm really sorry that people have to go through this shit and think that it's fucking normal. This is not normal. Fifth floor is always exciting. $500. There it is. There's our. This is our.
He's in room 10, right?
This is the magic fucking sticker. There we go. Put that on my back. Oh my god.
Is everybody? You just stretching, I can hear him.
He's in there. He's scared of me. I traumatized him again. I guess, like, ooh, the bathroom's open. I really gotta go to the bathroom. I'm scared. I'm seeing that there's bugs and stuff flying around. Maybe it should be fucking wide open. It just kind of pisses me off that, like, no, I'm not. Safety, eh? I'm just going through the doors that are open. Fucking disgusting. Hey, did you see the flies? Like,
Alright, one sec.
Who is this dog, guys?
Hey, you! How
shit's gone. I don't have a single penny to my name. I earned an ounce of dope and it's all gone. Where is John's room?
310.
We do this my way. We go break into his house.
I live on the floor. Can you please be careful?
Same side.
You need to just relax and just
Open the door from the 4th floor stairs into the
Give
hallway.
me a
Why are you
fucking
eavesdropping,
pop
pink
rock.
shirt? Pink shirt, go
I
away.
need a straight edge to
What the hell is going on in this fucking building? Oh, guys. Oh, God. I don't know what the fuck I'm getting anymore. Like, people are going me nuts. Hey, are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Yes. Hey, how come you guys, you said that you seen that chick in here with me, with her?
I
There's
didn't
nobody
see
in here.
anybody fucking. I mean, I
It's
hear
just
there.
me, by
But
myself.
like, seriously, I'm not like, everybody's having the same fucking fight. On like every floor, there's a fucking couple that's fighting. On the
Yeah.
same fucking thing.
It's stupid. Like, I've never fucking done anything with that chick. Never fucking.
I don't know. I've heard that she has like, fucking eyes or something, or after fuck eyes. I don't even know how to describe it.
My woman or her?
Her.
Okay, well, what does that have to do with fucking?
I don't know. I don't know what it has to do, but like that's what I got like an opinion from another person that said that. That's a guy's honest answer. Then I guess she has a problem with her because she's not trustworthy.
Okay,
She's
I've never
stole
fucked her.
from you,
Yeah.
and then she thinks that she's back in your room. Well, I don't know. She has trust issues.
That chick has never been back in here after that. Ever. She stole gold from me, that was it. She never
She's
come
stolen
back in.
from everybody.
Yeah, and once she did, I never fucking let her in here again. So,
She just helped herself. She went shopping in my fucking room without me there.
but I don't get it, because
I was here, I was there, I was everywhere. Like, people are getting involved for like all their fucking dope, and like these are people that don't usually get involved.
I know, I'm doing that too.
And I'm getting fucking insane because like people are starting to like snap, and I'm starting to feel a lot of energy, and I just want my brain to get out of this fucking building safely. But like the fucking person that's like looking down the hallway from me is doing bad fucking things around here or something. I don't know. Just somebody, and like people on different floors are fighting about. I don't know what the fuck.
Who's doing bad things? Hope you don't mean me, I'm not
No,
doing shit at
like
all.
on a different floor, like I don't know how much trouble like these people are like.
Look at this drunk.
I don't know what the fuck's going on. Like,
I
I'm
don't
getting
know either
scared.
fucking. Oh, you mean that guy that's like, I don't know, some chick fucking told me that, or not some chick, Coral told me that fucking this guy fucking Mark or whatever, like falling like, killing people and shit. Like, two chicks got tied up here or something, like fucking like hog tied and shit, and like in this building. Like, yeah, man, that's fucked up. Like, if that's true, but like, who fucking knows? I don't know that at all for a fact. You know what I mean? Like, this is just something that was said.
Oh well, I fucking know that there's like some kind of altercation that's about to occur,
What?
and I just don't want to be on the floor, but my birds are on that floor.
What else?
There's an altercation that's in the works. Like, I don't want to fucking talk about it.
Uh-oh.
I don't know what to say. All I know is I heard things, and I fucking hear things, and I fucking know the people that are fucking fighting, and I don't like the fucking situation that is so close to me. I'm scared again. What are you doing?